Welcome to the introductory video tutorial for Forte, a beautiful and responsive business template for Joomla. This is a really nice business template here, and as you can see, we've got a nice image there, and then a call to action, as well as some articles here to read more underneath the call to action. Then a nice image of your company. Some title text here, and then these are Joomla articles, and this is all News Pro, our Joomla content module. And then we have two gridded out articles, and this as well as News Pro. Then you have your social links down here, and then we have the disclaimer. So let's go ahead and check out what module positions and everything that's going on here. So this is the logo, and that's set in the template manager. We'll go into that in the advanced parameter setting part of the video, and that'll be in the next video for the administration side. And here we have our main menu. We have two styles in the main menu, a suckerfish, which you're seeing here, and a dual fish, which is two columns. And this image here that's in the background, that is the body background, and it is fixed, so it stays in place while you scroll. This is just an image here in a custom HTML module for the Forte. And then right here we have another custom HTML module with your call to action, and then here we have three custom HTML modules. The image is a custom HTML module that has an image call in it. This as well, this text here is an HTML module, and like I said, this is News Pro, and this is one instance of News Pro. This is our socializer wall and another custom HTML module. So as you see, it's pretty lightweight here on the home page. And we can go through the styles here real quickly. Let me show you a different style. Let's go to the blue style. And let's scroll down the page one more time and let me give you the whole layout here. So this is menu bar left. This is in inset position. This is the user 1 position. This is left 4. This is right 4. This is user 13. This is user 19. These two are in user 25, this is user 31, and these are both in footer. So that's the basic layout of it, and we can see the first style I showed you was yellow, this is blue, here's the red style. And then we have a orange style. Basically orange and purplish colors. We have the tan style, and then we have the light blue style. And everything you're seeing here on the home page, these images in the background, they're basically fully licensed and come with the template. This image right here actually comes from Unsplash.com, which is a free stock photo site, and they're fully licensed. And some of the other images that we're using here, this comes from Dollar Photo Club, and we paid the full license. So if you wanted to use it on your website, it is part of the template package, and you can go ahead and use it. And this also comes from Unsplash, and this is ours right here, our custom one. So everything you're seeing here, you're free to use. Now let's go ahead and check out the pages. Here's the sub pages. As you see, we have a nice slide in, and here's your demo content. And you're going to notice here on the demo content, we do have watermarks. These images all come from Dollar Photo Club. We know that this is probably going to be the first thing that you're going to change in your website, but we want to give you example images that you could go ahead and get for yourself and license them. The great thing about this is if you're familiar with stock photo sites, you know most of the sites you have to go and you have to pay them in credits, and usually one credit doesn't work out to be $1. So you're paying upwards of $5 up to $100 depending on the license for it and the image size. The great thing about Dollar Photo Club here is all of these photos, the biggest size they have is only $1, and then you can use them on your website. So as you see, we've included the image ID. So if you like any of these, you can just go over to Dollar Photo Club, put in that image ID number, and you can go ahead and download the full version for just $1. So having said that, let's go ahead and move on here. Let's check out the the full blog. In the blog, we have some stuff over here on the right, and there's the Dollar Photo Club again. And then we have the portfolio view. The main portfolio view is just a grid here. And then we have our portfolio center. So you have a featured one in the center. And then we have our left, featured one on the left. And of course, the right's going to have one on the right. We included our image gallery plugin, so you can go ahead and you can make yourself a nice little image gallery. All these images here, as you see, they have no watermark on them because they come from unsplash.com. And you might be looking at these and go, wait a minute, I've seen that in a template, I've seen that in a template. That's because a lot of people are using these now because they're free to use. So you might want to head over there if you don't know about Unsplash and check out the cool images they have. We've set up a nice custom 404 page for you. And then we have the normal Joomla stuff, you know, your login form, search, contact. And I'm showing you the subpage here on this style. Let me show you a different one here where we actually have some background, full background going in it. Here's the style 2, which is yellow. And let's go ahead and check out the blog. And that's the same. Style 3, the red one. There. Okay, so as you see, some of them have a full background image here. Yeah, just depending on what you want to do. You can mix and match the styles in the template administrator. So let me show you one other thing here. We do have regions in our templates. So basically, every area, let's just go back to the main one here. Every area here is a region, like the inset is in region 1, this is region 2. We're not showing region 3 here because it is the component, and we don't show the component on the home page. So this is going to be region 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can actually change your layout here. I'm going to give you some examples here. Here's alternative layout 1. And as you see, we've moved some things around here. The image is down here, these are here, these features are here, and here's alternative layout 2. As you see, we've covered the guy up here and done this. This style actually look a lot better in a different style depending on what style you're using. See here, looks great on this style. And then we've got alternative layout 3, where we mix it up, and then we want to show you just a basic microsite version. So here's the microsite, done, and then the full layout. So that's Forte. I hope you enjoyed the template, and we'll see you in the next video, and I'll get into the administration side of the template.